Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. Everything is going good, guys. As you can see, last in previous video, we just get you the goal will reach as the this level and will get up to the in a bullish moment, and that's exactly what going is on a buying position, and we are still on a basis on buying. There's a bullish pressure on it. If we can see in a daily time frame, as you can see, there is a big big movement of the buying pressure on gold, and this is a beautiful bullish candle on it, and just gold get just a lot of sell traders you just get trapped by this position. And after that, the gold just made a beautiful bullish candle, and now it's going to the bump up to the next target is where we can see there is a big rejection on it. Also, we can see a 4 hour rejection on gold. 4 hour time frame, that we can see that there is also a rejection on this level, where we can see that gold is also on a big buying pressure as well. Now we'll get back to the our intraday opportunity for you guys. As you can see, we are still on a buying scenario on gold, and we are still sitting on a gold. That's exactly what we have to do. We are also on this position, and now our next target will be 1830, right? So just get to the this will be our new target, guys. Yeah, so this will be our new target of a goal, guys. We also have a lot of analysis and research on a goal, because I have also expertise on a goal for almost 7 years now, and we are still sitting on a goal and researching on the implementing data, all the price actions, all the indicator, all the things, all the happening in the past. We are still gathering the data on it, right? And also, I have a mentorship on that, right? Daily levels, and we can see that we can see these levels now, guys. So just get a we are still on a buying position, guys, and we will get to the this level, the same basis on the previous highs as well. So just get to the point, like this is will be this, yeah, that is over big pressure on gold. I hope you like my videos, guys. Just share, enjoy. This is free of cost, no money, no recharge at all, no software bullshit at all. This is just a free of cost for everyone and everybody. Just enjoy and make them basically educate yourself, empower yourself, not just get dependent on one person. So that's what really makes me happy to help you out, guys, and just get you the idea of what I'm doing and what you're gonna do for that, right? If I'm going to do it and I'm going very well, you guys can also do it. Just share, subscribe, like, and whatever you guys like to do. And in our future plans, we also have a lot of good content coming for you. So let me know what kind of content do you guys need for only the all the financial market. We do stocks, we do all the currency, money markets, and all that kind of stuff as well. So yeah, enjoy your day, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your money, guys.